Hello friend and welcome another new video. So in this video we can talk about homework online survey. So I hope you will be like my video. So let's start the video. So first of all you can search in a Google Chrome browser online survey work from home without investment. So if you search this keyword in Google Chrome or other browser, so you can find websites, and here you can see which website and which companies provide you online homework surveys. So first we can check out our first position website. So that website define companies which providing online homework survey. So here they will be defined. Are you are looking for online survey job to make money without investment and without registration fees? Then you are at the right place. Here I am going to show you a list of best paid survey sites that will pay you for taking simple surveys. So here they defined a website, which website providing uh, home based online surveys. So we can read that article. Survey jobs are one of the simplest way to make money during your free time. By taking online surveys, you can easily earn over $14 daily. The best thing about survey jobs is that you will not be asked to pay for any kind of registration fee, as they are absolutely free to join. There are many survey sites available that pay money between 0.30 and $10 per each survey. So the time needed to complete each survey takes from 2 to 60 minutes. So are you ready to participate in online survey jobs? They post This post will cover everything you need to know about online survey, how to earn, how to get paid, etc. Continue read. What are online survey? Online survey a kind of feedback system that contains questions about specific product or services. These questions are targeted to be answered by the people who are willing to give their opinion, feedback about those products or services. Online surveys are mainly conducted by companies who want to know the real taste of people so that they can improve their product or services. By doing so, these companies make their products services better and generate huge sales. Online survey contain very basic question about your lifestyle, use of product, family, interest, etc. Best paid online survey site, free registration. There are many survey sites available on the internet, but these are the best survey sites that I trust in 2021. Just to let you know, the first three of them are my favorite survey site. Ysense. Ysense, formerly known as a ClickSense, is one of the very amazing survey job sites since 2007. It pays via PayPal, Pioneer, Tango card, and gift card. So far, Ysense had paid over 39 million to their members. According to Alexa ranking, Ysense is one of the top 6 ranked websites in the world as of April 2020. Wise is not just about surveys. You can also earn by completing offers and tasks, playing games, watching videos, referring people, and more. Swagbucks. The second one is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is the world's most popular paid survey and rewards program with an Alexa ranking of under 1.5k. Swagbucks is online since 2008 and has already paid over $55 million to its members. On Swagger, you can earn money by taking survey, completing offers, shopping online, watching video, answering polls, search the web, and much more. Your earning on Swagbucks will be shown in SB point, Swagbuck points, 70, 100 Swagbuck points is equal to $5. Swagbucks pay via PayPal and gift cards such as Amazon, Walmart, Flipkart, India, etc. Inbox Dollar. Inbox Dollar is a very old website that pays you for watching TV and for taking online surveys. It is online since 2000 and has 70 million registered members. and 1.9 million Facebook fans. It pay via checkbook, it prepaid Visa and inbox dollar e-card. The minimum payout is $30. Note that website inbox dollar is not available in India and some other country. Newbucks. Newbucks is a pay-to-click site which is paying instantly since 2008. It is one of the best money earning sites with millions of people. Newbucks recently added online surveys as a new option to earn so that their member can make more money along with other earning options which include clicking ads, completing offer and tasks, playing games, etc. Newbucks pays via PayPal, Nettler, Airtime, Skrill, bank transfer, etc. The minimum withdrawal amount is $2. Check this complete guide so you can click this website. Price Rebel. Price Rebel is now voted as number one best survey site on the internet. You can add Priceable by simply taking online survey and more. Priceable is online since 2007 with 10.2 million members and has paid over $21 million. The simple concept of Priceable is complete page survey, earn point and redeem for cash, PayPal and gift card instantly. Tuluna. Tuluna is another site among the best online survey job sites. It is a very big community with over 10 million registered members according to Alexa. It is one of the top 5K ranked websites in the world. You can earn money from Tuluna by taking online survey for cash, product testing, mobile survey, webcam survey, teen surveys and referral programs. You can redeem your earning via PayPal and via Amazon, Swagbucks or via other gift card. My Points. My Point is another very old online survey job site which pays for watching online videos, shopping, playing games, reading emails, etc. It is online since 1996, has over 10 million registered members, has paid $236 million in gift card and PayPal cash. My Point is not available in India. Few other best paid survey sites of 2021: Point2 Shop, Insta, GC, Points, Price. So these are the best online survey jobs that you can use to work from home. So some people have more surveys available while others have very few. The availability of online surveys depend on your country and you. For example, people from countries such as the United States, Australia and other English speaking nations will have more survey available while people from India, Pakistan and other will have lesser surveys available. Also, people who are married and have two children with own house on a four-wheeler vehicle have drinking habits, etc. will too have money survey. How do online survey work? The sole purpose of online survey is to get feedback, opinion about products or services from the right people so that the companies can improve their products or services in order to product more sales. For example, you have a company and launch a new product on the market. The sales of the product are lower than you accepted, so that you will do to improve that products. In that case, a company will visit online survey site that offers service to the people. Then the company will pay money to the survey site for conducting survey about their product or services. Now these survey site will start conducting surveys by paying money to each person who completes those survey. So this is how online survey work. How to earn from online survey? It is a very easy to earn money from online survey job without investing anything and without registration fees. You don't need to have any kind of knowledge or experience to earn money by taking paid online services. Step to earn from survey jobs online. First step, you need to join some best survey sites listed above. To join these sites, click on the provided link and enter your email and other details. You can join any survey site you want or you can join all of them. The second step is after joining the survey site will ask you to complete your profile by filling some detail about you, so fill them properly. The third step is when you are done completing your work, go to your My Account or dashboard page, then click on any of the available survey. You cannot find surveys on your dashboard page, then click on the surveys menu. After second one, the fourth step is after clicking on the survey, you will be taken to a new page where you will be asked to answer some question. Takes about 1 minute. If you are qualified, then you will be taken to the real survey page. The step 5 is now complete the survey by giving your opinion. After you are done, the amount will be credited to your account. For some surveys, the amount may appear after some delay. So these are the basic steps required to earn from any survey site from home. On some sites these steps may differ, but the concept will be same.